foodies, recipes with Sierra here. I am going to be teaching you guys today how to make a yogurt parfait using Brazil's acai powder. So a lot of you may know what acai is, but you guys might not know some of the details and why it's so important to incorporate it in your diet. So some of the awesome benefits of acai is one, it's loaded with antioxidants, just like your basic berries, except this one you can get in powder form, so you can incorporate it in so many different recipes and other stuff like that. And another huge contributing factor to acai is that it is an anti-aging warrior. So that's always a good plus. So the simple and easy recipe that I'm going to teach you guys how to make today is coconut yogurt parfait. So we're going to be using obviously our acai. We have two here. We have the 20 times, but we're going to be using the 4 times just to get that extra purple color in. We got some hemp hearts, some of my favorite berries, maple syrup, and my homemade chocolate coconut granola. Okay? We have 2 types of acai here by Brazil Acai. We're going to be using the 4 times powder today, but you can also get the 20 times powder as well. So to start, we have a tablespoon of acai already in my cup with my coconut yogurt parfait. Okay? After you've added your acai into the parfait, which we're using 1 tablespoon, you are going to add a teaspoon of maple syrup. So the reason why we're using maple syrup is because it's a lighter, healthier sweetener versus a lot of other sweeteners that you might find in the market. So it's natural, it's healthy, and it's honestly just delicious. So there's that. So this just takes patience. So you're gonna wanna stir together your maple syrup, acai, and coconut yogurt to get that beautiful purple color that acai creates. So we're gonna stir it. It doesn't need to be perfectly stirred, but enough that you don't really have any clumps of the powder inside. And you can already see it's so pretty. And obviously I'm just gonna be adding my own toppings in on top of the parfait today, but whatever floats your boat, you can add. So first we're gonna add the coconut and chocolate granola for that crunch, which is my homemade granola, which I love. You can find the recipe on my blog. And then we're gonna add, let's go with blueberries first. We're gonna add some blueberries and a little bit of each. Some blackberries. Ooh. There we go. And last but not least, some raspberries for the fruit. Okay, so after you have this, I like to add some kind of seeds, some kind of anything. So I'm gonna do hemp hearts for this in particular. Just sprinkle it all on. And yeah, and you can add anything else you want. So you could put like a nut butter if you want to make it something a little more filling. So you could put maybe peanut butter drizzle, almond butter drizzle, more maple syrup if you want it a little more sweet, chocolate chips, anything that you guys think will taste good with this combo. But that's about it. And then there you go. You have your acai parfait with all your favorite berries. That's it. And I think I'm just gonna have myself a bite. It's time to devour and enjoy, my foodies.